These are the Ethc fancy large gift bags with handles, and they're a stylish and convenient way to elevate any gift. This set comes with 2 large gift bags, each measuring 12.6 by 10 by 4 inches, which makes them a great size for clothing, books, small boxes, candles, or multiple smaller items. The black and gold design gives them a classic, elegant look that works beautifully for birthdays, Valentine's Day, baby showers, weddings, anniversaries, and even holiday gifts. I really like that these bags come as a complete set. You're not just getting the bags, they also include matching tissue paper and gift cards, so you have everything you need to wrap your present in one package. That saves time and makes gift prep a lot easier, especially when you're in a rush. The sturdy handles make them comfortable to carry, and the structured shape helps the bag stand upright while you're placing items inside. Overall, if you want a polished and sophisticated way to present your gifts, these Ethhqu fancy large gift bags are a practical and eye-catching option.